Hey, I'm Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, I didn't really need this. Bought one a few weeks ago that was a different model. Saw this one, had to get this one. I like these new Ryobi tools. But, I don't need another rotary tool. Ryobi. On-demand power up to 35,000 RPMs. 1.2 amp rotary tool, let's see, let me turn it upside down here. One attachment, 15 accessories. Let's go over this thing real quick. As you can see, I haven't opened it yet, and I'm expecting about the same thing I got of the last. What's that for? Must have been over here. Anyway, let me zoom out a little bit. We got the instruction manual, owner's manual, operator's manual, whatever you want to call this. Pretty basic stuff. I'm very familiar with rotary tools, so I won't even look at that right now. Got the accessory kit, and it is very limited. 2 buffing pads, couple of cutoff wheels, 4 sanding drums, polish and wax, and a few accessories right here. Let me see. Here is the wrench, and I was expecting there to be a drill bit in there, but there's not. So, keep that wrench out right now. Let's close this up. Throw that away. Here's the sharpening, grinding attachment. And here is the collet nut and collet on the inside right there that goes with it. Now this will replace this. This is a quick change chuck. Let's see. I'm not too thrilled with these Ryobi quick change chucks because people with weaker hands are going to have issues with this. But that's what they decided to use on these tools, so it is what it is. At least you don't have to have the collet with these, because, come on, get back on there. There we go. Let me grab one of these right here. Quick example of how to use this. This is the lock button. Push it down, put the, there we go, tighten it by hand. Now you see how loose that is. That's not good. Let's tighten it up by the wrench, see what happens here. Get back in there a little bit. There we go. Tighten that up with the wrench. And it shouldn't come out. It might, but it shouldn't. Okay, I'm just going to leave that in there for right now. We have the Ryobi colors. This is a nice shape to it. It's not too heavy. Nice, strong, looks like to be a 6-foot cord. It's not grounded. On and off switch right here. Let's see. No speed control. Oh, here's the speed control right here. Let's see, it goes from. It's a little bit tough to turn. Goes from 1 to 3. That is too tough to turn. Huh. Maybe I just need to break it in a little bit more. Okay, here's all the specs right here on the side. We've all seen those before. Has a QR code right there. So small, I don't know if a phone will pick it up. Rubber overmold for your grip. Has a hook right here to hang it with. This is model, let's see here, US 1006-960-178 in the RRT100. So, I'm going to take this out right here, hold down the lock button. Ah, that was tough. That's why I don't like these Ryobi style quick change chucks, because they are they're not fun. They're not fun at all. You see, I can't even get this thing out of here. I'm going to pry it out. Ryobi, you got to do better than this. You have got to do better than this on this quick change chuck. I'm going to grab a set of pliers. I'll be right back. Okay, first thing I found was this little screwdriver here. I'm just going to lock it into place, reach down here, see if I can pop it out. It's not happening. Ryobi, come on, Bubba. You got to do better than this. You have got to do better than this on this quick change. Okay. Now I'm going to go get a set of pliers and pull that thing out. I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. Let's try this again. You know, it's getting to where I don't really care if I tear this accessory up or not. Ryobi, disappointed in you. It is loose. You can see it's loose. This is just totally ridiculous. I'm taking this all the way off. Like this. Look at here. That is just ridiculous. There we go. It's turning now. It's coming. You see, it was up in there. And don't say that I have the wrong size collet on here, because that's the collet that comes with this quick change chuck. There we go. See there? Ryobi. I'm very disappointed in that. Anyway, that's why they give you this one. Put this one on there. Tighten that up. Use the wrench. There we go. Let me unsnap these right here. I'm going to plug it in and have a piece of metal behind me. And we're going to use this little grinding stone to see what it does to this piece of metal. So let me plug this in. First of all, off and on switch. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Turn it off. I do have on safety glasses, so let's see what this does right here. About what you expect. You see how this aluminum caked up on this wheel right here. It's got plenty of power. Not an issue with that. The size is good. It's comfortable to use, comfortable to hand. I will stress this again. This quick change chuck needs attention. I think this was somewhere around $50 at Home Depot. You may or may not know that Home Depot got rid of the Ryobi, Home Depot got rid of the Dremel tool line and brought in this line. We'll see how that goes. But it's got plenty of power. Wish I had more accessories for the price that it costs, but it is what it is. I won't get my money's worth out of it. If you have this, it is the RRT100. Let me know what you think about yours. Here you go. Here's what you get in the package. There we go. Guess I should move it more that way. That's what you get in the package. My name is Carl, and I do appreciate you watching.